guys, we're here at the, what's it called? Walkertown Seafood Shack. We're gonna try, and you guys told us come here and I can find some frog legs. So we're gonna put it to a test and see, does frog legs taste like chicken? I don't know. But them little big footed frog legs, we're gonna find out. Is this, oh, we can go in right here, cool. Okay. Woo. All right, here we go. Where you at? So here we go. Check this place out. It's crowded. You know, when you see, like I say, when you see a lot of cars somewhere, you know it's good. The manager just brought these up, so try these. Shrimp. It's got like a spicy
And then we got this, the sea bass.
Cajun
and,
taste to it.
Australian sea bass and cod.
That's pretty good right there. I don't think it's got the dip on it. That's good. Ooh. Got some frog legs, folks, and some chicken. Hey, Vic, how's your, she got baby flounder and baked potato. How's your baby flounder?
It is.
Good. How's their ranch taste? I mean,
Hush puppies?
no, the sauce, tartar sauce. Good tartar sauce? All right, we're gonna put this little rascal to rest. This frog legs taste like chicken. I don't know. We're gonna find out with this little fella right here. The little jumpy little rascals. You want a bite, Vic? You sure?
I don't even want to watch you eat it.
Well, that's the frog little fella. We're gonna try chicken strip. No sauce, because we want this to be fair. No. Nope. I proved it. This does not taste like chicken. I like that. That's got a good taste. Will you quit jumping away from me? Alright. They're going. It's bringing back memories, folks. Well, I can't say finger licking good because it ain't chicken.
The leg licking good.
Frog licking good, I guess. That's good. Let me try one. This one. Pretend it's chicken. Might not taste like chicken. But anyway, I've proven it.
Chicken leg.
To me, frog legs don't taste like chicken. On flavor. Well, we did it, guys. We come out here to the Seafood Shack in, what's the name of the place? Forgot the town. Walkertown, North Carolina. And everybody walked with me. You guys were right, because this place was amazing. We asked who had the if anybody sold frog legs anymore. Y'all came through. You did it for us because they were awesome, and everybody here was awesome. Our waitress was just amazing. We loved her. The only thing that could be better was if it wasn't raining out here, because it's cold when it's raining.
It's
It ain't worth a darn driving in it either. I mean, I ain't lying to you. Any hoots. So